to talk a little bit about low-resolution videos.
Good.
Ever had something tiny, got that GIF, whatever? This is Project ResUp by Yongjo.
Hello, everyone. I'm a video creator and want to create a video about the elephants. So here is a video asset I found online. It looks good. It has elephants in its habitat. And I really like this elephant and want to give him a closer shot. So I crop the video and get this one. It looks good, but it is too small. When I naively scale it up, it looks too blurry. So here comes to Project ResUp, a video upscaling technology. Let's try it out. Let me drag the video here and click the button. Project ResUp will upscale the video by 4 times and try to predict its missing high-fidelity details. And here we go. See, it's much better now. I can clearly see the texture and the details of the river. And of course, let it put side-by-side comparison. See how much it improves. I can definitely use this new assets in my final full-resolution video. So Project ResUp Project ResUp can also be applied to those super small resolution and old videos. For example, this one.
I wouldn't say that.
Oh, what do you know about anything? You never got past the 9th grade.
It's an old movie made in 1940s, so the original resolution is pretty low. And let's try Project ResUp. I bet it's going to look way better. And click the Submit button. So it takes a while for the processing, even we skip some heavy computation part. And let's wait for it. Here we go.
I wouldn't say that.
Oh, what do you know about anything? You never got past the 9th grade.
It's awesome, right? Let's put it side by side.
I wouldn't say that.
Oh, what do you know about anything? You never got past the 9th grade.
Yeah. I can clearly see her details of her facial expressions and hairs, and even the shiny hair wax this man put on. OK, finally, Project ResUp does not only work for videos, it can also be applied to the GIF images, like the funny memes you made. For example, this is a little meme I found online. Usually it's small and blurry. So let's try res it up. Boom! See? It's much clearer and in a higher resolution. And definitely, this is side-by-side comparison. So with Project ResUp, you won't be afraid to share any of your small but interesting videos or animations on the HD screen anymore. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, Jan.
Yeah, incredible, dude. I feel like everyone is going to love you except for aging actors. They're going to be like, maybe we keep that one low res. But everybody else is going to love it.
It's pretty great. Thank you, Jan.
Very cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so before we go into our next sneak, I did have a question that I wanted to ask you.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Get ready for this. I'm really curious. I mean, you're an actor, right? You're in all these movies. Have you ever had to speak a different language for a movie? Or, do you only speak English? Do you speak any other languages?
Ja, ich spreche Sie Deutsch nicht sehr gut.
Impressive.
Ja.
We'll keep,
Sehr gut.